So, what was my experience like with MAG?
What's been your experience with Meg?
Hey, yo, I just want to talk to you about my experience with MAG.
Well, as funny as it is, you guys have actually managed to underpromise and overdeliver. You've taken a 62-year-old Amazon virgin and turned him into a teenager. I am so excited about all the things that are to come from what your team has put together for our simple product.
The communication from my Amazon guy was really, really great, and the resolution was flawless and in a much quicker time frame than was stated. They said that it might take up to like 30 days or something, but it took like maybe less than a week for me, and it was super easy on my end. I didn't have to deal with any of the headache. It's money well spent to know that I got a resolution. It's good to be able to outsource to somebody who's competent and trustworthy. I'll definitely be using their services again, and I would recommend it to other Amazon sellers as well.
It's been a 5-star. Meg has basically, I would say, saved my company.
They gave me a lot of value, a lot of help, and that was kind of before we even jumped on board and we joined the team. And they just truly took care of everything for us. They did an amazing job by handling everything for me. Even Amazon 3 times shut us down, made us restart, and they helped us with that. And there's nothing that MAG did. It's just Amazon being Amazon, unfortunately. So, but even through all that, we constantly kept getting better every time we would get it back up and running. Our sales were growing phenomenally. God bless MAG, man. Thank you all so much.
I feel pretty good about your vision. You are truly a source for any small business that needs to be on Amazon. And I say that as one who fought it. And the revenue I've received in the last 2 weeks has totally shocked me. I've gone from zero to money in a month. I don't know if I could say it any better than that.
It's been the best decision of where we've put our money so far. They handle everything for you. As a founder, you wear a lot of hats. You're always putting out fires, and the beauty of my Amazon guys, they handle everything. It is the best money I've spent so far as a business owner. Everybody I've recommended them to says the exact same thing, and I could not be more happy. Highly recommend working with my Amazon guy. They are fantastic. You're going to be happy.
I'm very thankful for MAG. We've been working with the team for a little bit less than 2 years. They've been very valuable when it comes to our account growth. In about a year's time, we've had a little bit over 15% growth. So thank you very much for that, MAG. They were very helpful when it comes to our listings. We have both a vendor relationship and a seller relationship. So we're very thankful for all the support we receive on both accounts. Thank you very much, MAG.